aptitude examinations. Concept 1. Concept 1. In my class, only concepts will be there. Concept 1. If I cube a number, if I add 50 plus x whole cube, x cube 50 plus x whole cube, last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. Only if x is even. Only if x is even. Please make a note of this. As you know, I will always discuss the proof. X cube 50 plus x whole cube. Last two digits will be even. Last two digits will be same. Only if x is even. For example, now why it will be same? Then we will take it with an example. Very, very important concept. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to solve the question. X cube 50 plus x whole cube. Last two digits will be same. Only if x is even. Suppose if I open this bracket, 50 plus x whole cube, a plus b whole cube. One is a cube, next is 3a square b, and the next one is 3ab square, and the last one is b cube. This is the expansion of a plus b whole cube. Yesterday we discussed a very, very important point. Last two digits of a number. Last two digits of a number. Last two digits of a number. It is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 100. When you divide any number by 100, you will get the last two digits. Last two digits of any number. It is the remainder when you divide a number by 100. Now, what is that I am saying? X cube 50 plus x whole cube. Last two digits will be same only if x is even. Only if x is even. Last two digits will be same. Now, if you observe carefully here, listen carefully, sir. 50 cube. 50 cube is perfectly divisible by 100. 50 into 50 into 50. It is divisible by 100. 50 square is 2500. That is also divisible by 100. 50 into x is even. Even number on square. Even number on square, it is divisible by 4. 4 into 50. 200. 200 it is divisible by 100. So what is left here? X cube. Extremely important point. You take a number, cube a number, add 50. 50 plus x whole cube and x cube. Last two digits will be same. Only if x is even. Only if x is even. Again, I am repeating the proof for it. 50 cube. 50 cube is 125 into 10 cube. 10 cube is anyway divisible by 100. First term divisible. 50 square is 25 into 10 square. It is divisible by 100. Because x is even here. Even number square into 4. Even number is of the form 2k. 2k whole square is 4. 4 into 50. It is divisible by 100. What is the remaining? X cube. So if I take a number x cube and 50 plus x whole cube. By knowing this, a question which will take 5 minutes to solve, you can solve the question in less than 1 minute. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. It is only possible when x is an even number. It is only possible when x is an even number. Only possible when x is an even number. I hope the idea it is clear. Now we will discuss the application part of it. Any student who want the conceptual content, kindly attend all my live classes. Most of the concepts, whatever I am discussing in my live classes, you will not find it in the regular textbooks. The first point, I hope it is clear. Now, second key point. Second important key point. Suppose if I take the unit digit of a number. If I take the unit digit of a number, unit digit can range from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all the possible unit digits which are there from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 cube, it is nothing but 0. 1 cube, 1. 2 cube, 8. 3 cube, 27. 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube, it is 729. Now listen, very, very important, sir. This is an extremely important key point. What is that we discussed yesterday? A perfect square. A perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Identify all the unit digits which are having 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2 here it is there, 3 here it is there, 7 here it is there, 8 here it is there. Now if you observe, only these numbers, the numbers where the left hand side is 2, 3, 7 or 8, only these numbers on cube I am getting a different unit digit. 0 cube is 0, 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 4, 5 cube is 5, 6 cube is 216. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Only 2, 3, 7 or 8. On cube I got a different number. What is that number that we got? A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. On cube, what is that I got? 2 cube I got 8. 3 cube I got 7. 7 cube 3. 8 cube 512. Or otherwise, write down 2, 3, 7 or 8 from bottom to top. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Listen to this very important key point. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2, 3, 7 or 8 on cube I will get another number. That number is nothing but the 10 minus unit digit. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 3 is 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, and 10 minus 8 is 2. Very, very important key point. This is how you can correlate between a perfect square and a perfect cube. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. If I am cubing only these 2, 3, 7 or 8, on cube I will get another number. 2, 3, 7 or 8 perfect square never ends with top to bottom. Write down bottom to top 2, 3, 7 or 8. I hope the idea it is crystal clear to you. Now why am I doing this? I will come back to it. As you know, I will start with the fundamentals, then a basic level question, then an advanced level question. I hope this second concept it is clear to you. Third concept. One by one we will discuss how to find the cube of a number. Third concept, how to find the cube of a number. How to find the cube of a number. Instead of taking a direct cat level question, I will start with the fundamentals. I will make you familiar with the concept. Then I will go into the cat level question. How to find the cube of a number. To find the square of a number, I will use a plus b whole square. To find the cube of a number, I will use a plus b whole cube. A cube 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. This is the expansion given by Pascal to find the cube of a number. To find the square of a number, I will use a plus b whole square. To find the cube of a number, I will use a plus b power 3. To find the nth power of a plus b, I will use a plus b power n. A plus b power n. What is this slash? Slash is nothing but it differentiates between the units place as well as the tens place. B is the units place, A is the tens place. Now for example, how to find out the cube of 24 whole cube. 24 whole cube. A is 2 and B is 4. Wherever A is there, substitute 2. 2 cube. Next is 3A square B. Next it is 3AB square. And next it is B cube. And next it is B cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8. 3 4s are 12. 12 4s are 48. 3 2s are 6. 6 16s are 96. 4 cube is 64. I hope it is clear. Only write down the unit digit. Why am I writing the unit digit? Because B is taking only one digit. Write down 4. 6 is carried. What is 96 plus 6? 102. 102, what is the unit digit? 2. 10 carried. What is 48 plus 10? 58. 8. 5 carried. 8 plus 5, 13. 24 whole cube is nothing but 13824. 24 whole cube is nothing but 13824. Again, I am repeating it, sir. A cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube, 8, 48, 96 and 64. Write down only the unit digit. 4, 6 carried, 96 plus 6, 102. 2, 10 carried, 48 plus 10, 58, 5. Leftmost, write down the entire number. Write down the entire number. 24 whole cube, it is nothing but 13824. 24 whole cube is nothing but 13824. Please write down these note. 24 power odd number. 24 power odd number. Last two digits is always 24. 24 power odd number. Last two digits is 24. 24 power even number. 24 power even number. Last two digits is 76. Last two digits, it is nothing but 76. Please make a note of it. Write down in your notebook. 24 power odd number. Last two digits is 24. 24 power even number. Last two digits is 76. Where it is useful? It is useful when we are finding the last two digits of an number. 3 is an odd number. 24 power odd number. Last two digits is nothing but 24. 24 power odd number. 24 power 137. Last two digits is 24. 24 power 352. 352 is an even number. Last two digits will be 76. Just make a note of this number. 24 power odd number. Last two digits is 24. 24 power even number. Last two digits is 76. This is example 1. I will do another example so that it will be clear to you. Now here, a student might ask, sir, don't you think this method will be difficult if it is 98 whole cube or if it is 1002 whole cube? That method also we will discuss. Now, in third concept, this is case 1. We will also do a case number 2. I hope it is clear. Now let me do one more example. One more example. The more and more examples you will solve, CAT problem looks like a very, very easy problem. A plus b whole cube is a cube 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. This is a plus b whole cube. Now we did 24 whole cube. Let me do 32 whole cube. Let me change the color. 32 whole cube. Let us check whether 32 whole cube is 32768. A is 3 and B is 2. One more practice example. A cube. Next it is 3a square b. And the next one it is 3ab square. And the last one it is b cube. Last one it is b cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. 2 cube it is 8. Write down the unit digit 8. Write down the unit digit 6. 3 carried. 54 plus 3, 57. 7, 5 carried. 27 plus 5, 32. Answer is 32768. Please make a note of it in your notebook, except the leftmost place. Except the leftmost place. Every place write down the unit digit. 8 write down as it is. 36, what is the unit digit? 6 write down as it is. 3 carried. What is 54 plus 3? 57. What is the unit digit in 57? 7. 5 carried. What is 27 plus 5? 32. 32 whole cube. It is nothing but 32768. 32 whole cube. It is nothing but 32768. Why are we doing this logic? Because I want to take up an original CAT question. X cube 50 plus x whole cube. Last two digits is same only when x is even. Only when X is even. So 32 whole cube is 32768. Sir, what will happen? A student might ask me, sir, how to find out 96 whole cube, 1004 whole cube? Don't you think by solving this logic, it will be little difficult? Yes, that is the reason we optimize. Another very interesting logic in concept number 3. What are the concepts that we discussed? X cube 50 plus x whole cube. Last two digits will be same if x is even. A perfect is concept number 2. A perfect square never ends with 237 are right. Only 237 are right. On cube I got another number with unit digit 873 are 2, which is nothing but the tens complement of the unit digit. How to find the cube of a number in case number 2? Please write down, sir. How to find the cube of a number? How to find the cube of a number? How to find the cube of a number? How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k? How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k? This concept is extremely important when we are solving DI calculation based problems, and this concept can also be applied in arithmetic problems where there is a 2% increase 3 years, there is a 1% decrease 2 years. I hope it is how to find the cube of a number. First write down the concept. What is the concept? B is nothing but a derivative of a plus b whole cube. B plus x whole cube is b plus 3x and 3x square. And the next one is x cube. B is nothing but a plus b whole cube only. Only difference is b is of the form 10 power k. B is of the form 10 power k. And the last two places should take k digits. And the last two places should take k digits. Last two places should take k digits. B plus x whole cube is b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. It is similar to a plus b whole cube, where a is nothing but taking the power of 10. These concepts helps us to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. Greater than 10, less than 10. Greater than 100, less than 100. Greater than 1000, less than 1000. So on and so forth. So on and so forth. Few problems which we will do. It will be very easy for you. First problem. 102 whole cube. 102 whole cube. These are nothing but 100 plus 2 power 3. 102 is nothing but 2 more than 100. If you observe here, b value is nothing but 100. B value is nothing but 100. X value is nothing but 2. So answer is nothing but b plus 3x. 100 plus 3 into 2. Next is 3x square. And the next one is x cube. 100 plus 6, which is 106. 4 3s are 12. 2 cube, these are nothing but 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 100 is of the form 10 square. If the power of 10 is 2, last two places should have 2 digits. 8 in a 2-digit format, 08. It is 12 and it is 106. Last two places should take the number of digits which is equivalent to the power of 10. Last two places should take the number of digits equivalent to the power of 10. Right? Now, b plus x power 3. b is 100 plus 2 power 3. b plus 3x. 100 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2 square and 2 cube. 106, 12 and 8. 100 is 10 square. Last two places should be in a 2-digit format. 8, it's in a 2-digit format. 08. 12, it is already in a 2-digit format. Write down 12. 106. Answer is 106, 1208. 106, 1208. Second question. We will do more and more problems in the class. In my class, you will not expect anything other than the content. I am not going to entertain you. I am not going to discuss anything which is irrelevant and inappropriate to the subject of the class. I hope it is clear. B plus x whole cube. Now, let me take 3 more examples. B plus x whole cube equivalent to b plus 3x. First, let me write down 3x square and x cube. 3x square and x cube. If b is of the form 10 power k, last two places will have k digits. Last two places will have k digits. This is what we are discussing. Right now, let me take another number. 1004 whole cube. Once you practice it, you will get the answer very fast. 1004 whole cube is nothing but 1000 plus 4 power 3, which is nothing but b plus 3x. b plus 3x. Next is 3x square, and the next one is x cube. I hope this idea it is clear. This is nothing but 1012. 1000 plus 12, 1012. 16 3s are 48. 4 cube is 64. 4 cube is 64. 1000 is 10 power 3. 1000 is 10 power 3. Right? So last two digits. Places should have 3 digits. 064, 048, and another is 1012. Another is 1012. 1012, 048, 064. 1012, 048, 064. I hope this concept is clear. When I am explaining a concept, I will not see the comments. So in case if you are commenting it, just hold on till the concept is completed. 1000 plus 4 power 3, b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube, 1012, 48 and 64. So 1000 is 10 power 3. Last two places 3 digits. 64 in a 3-digit format, 48 in a 3-digit format. So answer for this question is 1012, 048. and 064. Now we took the numbers which are just greater than 10. Next case we will take the numbers just less than 10 power k. Then you will be able to understand. Again I am repeating it. 3% increase for 3 years, 2% decrease for 3 years, 1.02 into 1.02 into 1.02. That calculation can become much more easier if you know this concept. Only thing in hurry, don't do this mistake. 1000 is 10 power 3. Power is 3. Last two places should have 3 digits. 64 in a 3-digit format, 064. 48 in a 3-digit format, it is 0. 48. 1012, 048, 0 whole cube. 98 whole cube. 100 minus 2 power 3. B is 100 and X is minus 2. So in the previous problems we did plus 2. Now we will do minus 2. These are nothing but B plus 3X, B plus 3X, 3X square and X cube. B plus 3X and 3X square and X cube. 100 minus 6, it is 94. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Now here in this case we got minus 8. If I cube a positive number, I will not get a negative number. So I will take a carry. 1 is carried. Suppose 31 minus 17 is there. 1 carry, it will become 10. Why? Because both the numbers are in base system 10. Are you all with me? So 1 is carried. 1 is carried on a base how much? 100. 100 minus 8 is 92. 12 1 carried, remaining is 11, and these 94. 100 is 10 square. Last two places should have 2 digits. 92 is a 2 digit, 11 is a 2 digit. So answer for this question is 941192. 941192. Please make a note of it. We did the numbers which are just greater than 10 power k. Third example is we are doing the numbers just less than 10 power k. 98 cube, 100 minus 2 power 3, b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. 94, 12 and minus 8. If I cube a positive number, I will not get a negative number. So I took a carry. Carry 1 on 100. 100 minus 8 is 92. 12 1 down, it is 11. It is 94. 941192. 941192. I hope this concept is clear. Let me take one more question. b plus x. Let me take a little different. This slide is very important, sir. b plus 3x and 3x square and x cube. b plus x whole cube equivalent to b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. 996 whole cube. If you practice it, you can solve it very fast. 996 is 1000 minus 4 power 3. 996 is 1000 minus 4 power 3. These are nothing but b plus 3x. Next is 3x square. And the next one is x cube. I hope this step is clear. 1000 minus 12. 1000 minus 12 is 988. 16 3s are 48. Minus 4 cube is minus 64. Minus 64. If I cube a positive number, will I get a negative number? No. 1 is carried. 1 is carried on a base how much? 1000. 1000 minus 64. It is 936. 1 became 1000 because 996 is nearer to 1000. 48, 1 carried. 47. And it is 988. 1000, it is 10 power 3. Last two places should have 3 digits. 936 is 3 digits. 47 in 3 digits is 047. And it is 988. You can check with the calculator whether the answer is right or wrong. I hope it is clear. 996 whole cube. 1000 minus 4 power 3. b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. 1000 minus 12 is 988. 16 3s are 48. Minus 4 cube is minus 64. If I cube a positive number, I will not get a negative number. 1 is carried. 1 is carried on a base 1000. 1000 minus 64 is 936. 48, 1 carried. Remaining is 47. 988. 1000 is 10 power 3. Last two places 3 digits. 936 is 3 digits. 47 in 3 digits it should be 047. 047. 92 whole cube. Please put a star mark on this doubt. 92 is nothing but 100 minus 8 whole cube. 100 minus 8 whole cube, which is nothing but b plus 3x. b is 100. b plus 3x. Next it is 3x square. And the next one it is x cube. Next one it is x cube. 100 minus 24, which is 76. 64 3s are 192. Minus 8 cube. 8 cube it is 512. Minus power odd it will be minus 512. In the previous problem we took a carry which is always 1. Now the question arises, is the carry, will it be always be 1? Not exactly. D is a positive number. On cubing I got a negative number. I need to take the carry which converts the negative into positive. Suppose if I take a carry 1, 100 minus 512, negative. If I take a carry 2, 200 minus 512, negative. 300 minus 512, negative. 400 minus 512, negative. 606 if I take carry. 6 on a base 100, it is 600 minus 512. It is positive. Positive, it is nothing but 8. Positive, it is nothing but 88. 600, 192, 6 carried. Remaining is 186. It is nothing but 76. 100 is nothing but 10 square. Last two places there will be 2 digits. These 88, these 86, only 2 digits. 1 carried. 1 carried. Answer will be 778688. 778688. What is the concept that we used here? First term is b plus 3x. Next term is 3x square. Last term is x cube. b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. 100 minus 24 is 76. 64 3s are 192. Minus 8 cube is minus 512. I will take a carry which converts the negative into positive. The carry is always not 1. So I took a carry because if I take 5, 5 into base 100. 500 minus 512, it will be negative. 600 minus 512, it is 88. 192 6 carried, it is 186 76. Because it is 100, 10 square, last two digits only we have to write. Last two digits only we have to write. 76 plus 1, 77. I hope the concept it is clear. So what are the concepts till now we discussed? Let me do an important recap of all the concepts which we discussed. We found out the cube of a number, a plus b whole cube. We found out the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k, which is b plus x power 3, b plus x power 3. Next one, a perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 are right. Only the numbers which are ending with 2, 3, 7 are right. On cube, I will get the 10 minus the unit digit. 10 minus 2, it is 8. 10 minus 3, it is 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Now we will see the application of these cat level concept. X cube, 50 plus x whole cube. Last two digits is same. Now the last concept will be extremely, last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same if x is even. If x is even. Now let us focus on the fourth concept. Concept by concept, from the basics to the advanced level. Most of the students who follow my classes, probably they are the people who generally get 99 plus percentile in the CAT examination if they study under my guidance and with a thematic based learning, attempting as many as 20 to 30 marks. Remember, consistency is required in your preparation. Your goal should be directed and you should be self-motivated. If you are getting motivated from anybody's speeches, that is just nothing but a part-time things, and you should keep an effort. Anybody who has become successful in life, they followed these 4 letters, which is CDSC. Consistent, directed, self-motivated effort. Consistent, directed, self-motivated effort. You are preparing for the CAT examination. You ruined last year CAT examination, and you know that where you ruined it. Your goal should be to get into an IIM Ahmedabad. Anything that disturbs your preparation, anything which is not required to make you reach the destination, that is something unwanted. Effort is something which goes without keeping. Before the mother enjoys the pleasure of having a child, she has to go through 9 months of extreme pain. For you to achieve a goal, effort is the kind of pain that we are going through. It is nothing in front of the kind of hard work that our parents go through it. These 4 things are extremely important. Be consistent in your preparation. Don't miss any of the live classes. Be directed towards your goal and be very self-motivated. Nothing works other than being self-motivated in life. If you are trying to derive some motivation from a motivation guru, it is going to be for half an hour or a 1 day or a 2 days. Your internal burning desire to succeed only matters. Now the last concept we'll discuss. Because we are discussing the CAT level,